Hello, T.
Hello, teacher.
How are you, T?
I'm fine, thank you. And you?
I'm good, but a little tired now, T. Did you eat your lunch already? Did you eat lunch?
Yes.
What did you eat for lunch?
I eat rice, soup, and fish.
Yeah, that's delicious. T. What did you do in the morning? Did you swim?
I do housework.
Oh, wow, that is very nice of you. See, so you helped your mom.
Yes.
Oh, wow, you are so nice. See, that's good. What housework can you do? Can you do laundry? See, can you do laundry?
No, I
Oh,
I was the dishes.
oh, okay. So that is good. You are helping your mom already. How's the weather in your place? See, what's the weather like today?
Is Sunday
What's the weather like? The weather. Is it hot? Is it sunny or raining?
hot?
Oh, it's really hot. I see. So just make yourself comfortable, okay? So we'll start now. We'll again have exercise two. Okay, can you read this one? See?
Take out.
Yeah, take out a pencil, which means you will get it inside your bag. Maybe you will use it to answer or to write something. Okay, take out your pencil. Now, next one we have.
Clean up.
Very good. Okay, clean up your desk. Probably it is a messy one. Okay, it's full of things. That's why you have to clean up. You have to arrange your things. Next one we have.
Have hope.
Do you know pack up? See?
Yes.
Okay, that's good. So in here we can see that. Okay, probably from her desk, she is slowly putting her things in her bag, and she is ready to go home or to go to school. Up your things. Next one.
Line up.
Okay, yes, line up just like what they are doing right here. Line up at the door. They are forming a line, and slowly, one by one, they will get inside or they will go out, right?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Now, see, let us have this. Okay, so what would she do?
Clean. Clean.
She has to
Clean.
clean. What is it? Clean. Right? Clean up. Okay. Clean up. Can you say it again? What does she have to
Clean up.
do? Yes, she has
Table.
to. Yes, she has to clean up her table. What about them? They have to do it. you remember it? Line
line up.
Okay, yes, we have to line up. What about her? What does she have to do? She has
Take, ta- she has to take the
pack
pack to
pack
pack,
up.
pack up her bag.
Okay, yeah, she has to pack up her things. Okay, she has to pack up her things. That is what she's doing. What about in here? What does she have to do? She has to
She has to take,
take out.
take up the
What
pencil.
is that?
A
Yes, very good.
pencil.
Yes, that is right. She has to take out a pencil. So again, you have to answer in a complete sentence, okay? What do they have to do?
They have tan up
They have to line up in, okay, they have to
in
line
the
up at the
class.
door. Okay, yes, they have to line up at the door. Now, what about her? What does she have to do?
She has cleaned up uh, the table.
Okay, yes. She has to clean up her desk. What does she have to do?
She has
To
she has to
pack
pack up
her.
her things.
Great job. And what does she have to do?
She has to take up a pencil.
So it's not take up, it's take out, okay? Take out. Okay, take out a pencil. Very good. See. Now we'll have this. Okay. Can you read this sentence? See.
Please look at the board.
Okay, so this is the board, see, which means that you have to look at it. Okay, maybe the teacher will write something. That's why you have to look at the board or eyes on the board. Now, next one.
Don't run.
Okay, yes. Don't run. Probably, maybe it's because the floor is slippery and you might bump your head. So don't run. Just walk. Okay? Walk. Next one, see?
Don't stop.
Okay, yes. Don't talk. Especially if the teacher is talking. The teacher is explaining. So don't talk with your seatmate or don't talk with others while that someone is talking. Okay, next one.
Don't leave your seat.
Okay, don't leave your seat, which means that you are not allowed to stand up unless your teacher told you so. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, now let us have this one. See. Okay, what does it say?
Don't talk.
Okay, very good. Don't talk. What about in here?
Don't run.
Great job. See, what about here?
Don't leave your seat.
Very good. And last one.
Please listen
Is it listen?
to the bowl.
Look.
Look
Look.
at the bowl.
Okay, yes. Because when we say listen, we use our ears, right? Ears. We have ears for us to hear, to listen. However, if we have to see, that is our eyes. Okay, look at the board. Now, let us have this one. Okay, let us see if you can still remember it. Let us start with this. What does he have to do, see?
He has to
To pack
pack up
her
her things.
things. Okay, she has to pack up her things. What does this sign say?
Don't leave your seat.
Okay, very good. Don't leave your seat. That's correct. What about here, see?
They
They have
they have to
they have to line
line up to
at
the door.
okay, yes.
At
They have to
door.
line yes at the door. What about in here?
Don't talk.
Okay, yes. Don't talk. What about here?
She has to take up
Out,
up
out. See, take out.
out a pencil.
Okay, yes, a pencil. And the last one. Oh, what is happening? Okay, this one, see.
Please look at board.
Okay, yes. Please look at the board. That's correct. Thank you. Now, let us have this one. Okay. Mhm. Okay, so I would say, please clean up your desk. What picture is it? Is it a one, two, or three?
Picture 3.
Okay, very good. See, mm, please stand up.
Picture 2.
Okay, picture two. What about? Okay, all the same. Okay, so
Picture
okay,
picture
this one. See, eyes. Oh, look at the board. Look at the board.
picture 3.
Is it picture three? Picture three. Look at eyes. She's looking anywhere, and the girl here, she's looking up. Please look at the board. Who do you think is looking at the board?
Picture 1.
Yes, it's picture one. See, she is looking up. See, he is looking to the side. And it's impossible that he is sitting right here and the board is in here. That is impossible. So it is her. Okay, look at the board. Next one. Okay, please take out your pencil.
Picture. Picture 3.
Is it picture 3? Out your pencil. So,
It is picture 1 and 2 is
okay.
take out the pencil.
Yes, picture 1 and 2 shows children taking out their pencils. Okay, so it's 1 and 2. Now, next one, see. Okay, don't run. Please
Pic-
don't run.
Picture 1 and 3 don't run. Picture 2, she's run.
Okay, yeah. Remember, see that if you would say she run, okay, she is run. Here we have is, right? Again, if we have is, are, and after that, see, we will add ing. Okay, ing. So this one, it should be running. Okay, she is running. Okay, or we can say they are running. They are running. Or we can, they are. Or we can say, I am running. Okay? So we don't say I am run, she is run, they are run. Okay? One now. Let us have this. Okay, so we have here the accents that we have talked about. And tell me again, what do you have to do?
Who has to pack up her things?
Okay, yes, that's correct. See, what about in here? What sign? What does the sign mean?
Don't don't leave your seat.
Okay, yes, that's correct. And next one.
Don't run.
Very good. See, next one.
Clean up your table.
Okay, yes, clean up your table or desk. And what about in here?
They they
They have
they have to plan up at
at
door.
okay, yes, at the door. Very good. See, what about this one?
Don't talk.
Okay, this one. See,
Please look at the board.
very good. And what about this?
She has to take out a pencil.
Okay, very good. See, oh, by the way, looking at this picture again, see if I'd ask you, what do, what does she have to do? Okay, what does she have to do? You would say she has to take out a pencil. Okay, right? However, if I will ask you, see, what do you have to do? You will answer it like this. I have to take out my pencil. Or I have to take out a pencil. Okay? So, that is the difference here. See, because in here, what does she have to do? It's not you that I am talking, but you are going to give me an idea what other person is should do. Okay, so you would say she has to take out a pencil. But in here, what do you have to do? I am talking to you directly. See, like for example, you here, this is you, this is she. Okay, I have to take out my pencil. Okay, so you will say I, not she. Okay? Okay. So what about we try answering it right now? Can you tell me what do you have to do? What do you have
I
to do?
I have to clean up the table.
Mhm. Yes, the table, or you can say I have to clean up
My
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 table. Yes,
table.
yes. But both, I see, that's okay. You can say I have to clean up the table, or I have to clean up my table. That's okay. See, that's okay. Now, thank you so much for that. So let us proceed now to another topic. We'll have lesson 18. Okay, so we have here at school. Okay, so look at this picture. See, can you tell me something about it?
I see two students.
What are they doing?
They say bye their friend. With
Out.
their friend.
Mm-hmm. Okay, they are probably friends, right? That's why they are waving their hands. Okay, this is waving. See? Waving. See, look at their hands. Okay, they are waving to say hello or hi. Okay, so what do you like to do at school? See? Can you tell me? What do you like to do at school?
I
Do you like to play with your friends? Do you like to learn? Do you like talking with your teachers?
I talk with my friend.
Okay. How many friends do you have?
I have five friends.
Oh, wow, that is nice. Do you have a best friend?
Yes.
How many best friends do you have? Five, two, or just
It's
one?
two best friends.
Oh, two best friends?
Yes.
Okay, that's nice to see. Okay, so you are very friendly. Now let us have this one. I will be Alex and you will be Maya. Okay, can you read it?
Where are you going, Alex?
I'm going to the science room. My next class is science.
Okay, see you later.
Okay, very good. See, what is your favorite subject? See,
Student.
what is your favorite subject? Do you like English, science, math,
I
Vietnamese?
like I like math and art.
Oh, oh, really? Do you have an art class? See?
Yes.
Oh, are you good at drawing or painting?
I draw pencil and my picture have a black and white.
Okay, nice. Okay, so can you show me some of your drawings next meeting? Wait, let me translate it. See, can you show me some of your drawing? No. No.
Okay.
Okay, nice. I would really be happy to see it. See. Okay, so you are good at math too. Do you like math?
Yes.
What about English? Is English difficult? See? Is learning English difficult?
Oh, a little difficult.
Oh, okay. Just a little difficult. That's good. Okay, so we'll continue learning. So next time, it's not a little difficult, but it's easy. Okay, so that's all for our class today. See, thank you so much, and I'll see you again on Saturday. Goodbye. See.
Bye,
Be
teacher.
safe.